you like Winky D's music?
Yeah, I like Yekudara. Yeah.
How far would you say Yekudara and then up
to that album like azo rena gizara chiri kutangare renzi rekuti onsi ana makomana wachirangana ange wachichaya mapoto ange kana zikoko. Yeah, that one was dope.
Okay,
after there I was lost. The sound didn't upgrade.
So if you were to go to
lyrical content, it didn't upgrade.
That's how you feel.
Yeah, that's how I feel.
Okay.
Yeah.
And okay. So if you were given the opportunity to speak to Winky D one-to-one, would you repeat everything that you're saying right now? You'd keep the same energy.
Yeah, I'll keep the same energy. I would tell him that. Wangu apate wife onode sobe.
Wangu kwete mdarere ngondi wataura ndipayoniya. Ungazotipaya wangu
payoniya. Ndi wangu. As he's not my enemy.
Have you spoken to him before?
No, I didn't. I said.
All right. Yeah. Did him or anyone from his team reach out? No, they didn't.
No, they
okay,
didn't.
so you would say Wanguchi? You'd say what? You were saying?
Wangu ku abogadi kudeso for the game because you started this thing. Why chichakanetsa? Pamwani ma reasons. Pamwe nisingotata ndikutata desoka. Pamwe wingi die have got reasons, family issues or what? Maize.
Family issues?
I don't know. At this year, because Wingy D has never disclosed about that. He's a private person.
Also, maybe he's going through issues. That's why he's going through issues. Not satisfying you and other people who think the way you think.
Maybe he wants to satisfy his family. But I can choose a game, so you have to satisfy the game first. Because he chose the game.
Baby is sanitizing her hands right now. She's really shocked by what you say.